Hey guys, welcome to another video on this journey towards financial freedom. We've got this many days left on our target towards financial freedom, so make sure you join the channel, subscribe and follow the journey along. So the other day I was watching one of my videos on my other channel. I've got a top with my logo for the app which I use to promote the app, which I use for brand recognition. I've got the logo on the front of my top, but as I was watching I realized you don't see the whole logo, you just see part of it, and then some of it is below the table, so you can't really see what it says properly. So I decided to make a video to show you guys how you can create your own custom top and you can wear it to promote your brand. The platform I use is Canva. Now Canva, I can't recommend it enough. I'm not getting paid for this, by the way. This is a free, this is just me talking about what I use, and Canva is the platform that I use to do all my design work. I've even used it for this book here, which I used it to design the cover, the app. I use Canva to design that as well, and there's a lot of elements in there. My videos heavily depend on Canva. Even my driving course as well is also built upon Canva. But the t-shirt now, you go to the homepage on Canva. Now I've got a pro account which is $10.99 a month, which is very worth it for everything that you get in it. And you can see here, this is parts of my next course that I'm doing. I designed the logo in here as well. Everything I do design wise, I do it in Canva. It's nice and straightforward to use. So to design the t-shirt now, you got this section here which just has lots of different things. I've got logos here, but if you don't have the t-shirt here for some reason, you can search on here. Then you can type in what you want to do and you can find t-shirt there as well. So I'm going to click on the t-shirt button, which takes us to this page here. And now I'm going to upload. You can do different designs, but I've got my own logo that I want to put on there. But if you want to do your own designs, you can do that as well. But I've got a logo, so I'm going to go to uploads. Now, if you don't have it already on Canva, you can press upload from there. You can find the file that you want to upload. So if you go here, and it's this one here, Theory Test Hero. Okay, so that's one with the blue background. I don't want that one. I want this one with the gray. That's one I normally use. That's the main logo. So now I've got it on the main screen now, on the main page. I can click on this button here which says print t-shirts, and then I'm going to change this from woman to man, so that, because it's for me, I'm going to make it much smaller. The issue on the last one was it's too big, therefore it wasn't being seen beyond this point here. So I want to make it smaller so it's more up here. And let's see how it's looking now. You can use, it's got lots of guidance on here as well. You see the line comes up and then it goes. So when it comes up like that, it's in the middle. I might do some more tutorials on Canva, but right now this is a quick one on how to get your t-shirt designed. And yeah, it's looking good. Let me see a bigger view so I can click on there. Maybe a tiny bit bigger on the logo actually. Maybe like there. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, make sure it's centered. And want it to be high. The mistake I made the first time I ordered this was I thought, okay, I like the way it looks. Let me check out now, because it says £20. I thought, cool, let me check out. But if you scroll down, you see you can change your color. And I left it on medium last time, which not the one I'm talking about, but the first time I ordered it. And I had to wear it because I was going to waste £20. But you can change the size. So now I'm going to put it to large because that's the size I wear. I only want one, but if you want two, you can change it, and then it gives you a lower price per. You get a bit of a discount if you do multiple tops. Now, if you got maybe like an event and you want to give your top to multiple people, you got lots of options here. And the more you print, the cheaper it gets. But I only want one at the moment, so I'm gonna leave it as that. And then we can go to checkout, delivery. 5 to 8 business days, 5 to 8 business days. Usually it comes a lot faster than that. And I don't really want it to be express, so I don't need to pay £12.50. Make sure all the details are correct, and then you press continue, and then you wait for your top. It's here, guys. It's been a few days, not too long. I'm going to put it on the screen there how many days it's been. I think because it's Canva, they put some effort into designing the box, which is really nice actually. So let's see what we've got inside there. No other plastic packaging, so good for the environment. We've got the recyclable cardboard box. So here it is. Looks pretty good. It's got the Theory Test Hero on there. Let's see how it looks once I put it on, because the whole point was for it to be seen when I'm making videos. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so hopefully that's clear, guys. Theory Test Hero. Hopefully now when I'm making videos, people can see the logo properly. Do you guys like the design? Is it too small? Is it too big? I'm going to do videos on in-depth tutorials on how I do certain things on Canva. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And we've got other stuff that you want to check out on the channel as well, including how we are doing so far on our journey towards financial freedom. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.